Welcome, Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing a real simple, quick dessert. I call it a strawberry donut cake. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, I'm going to be giving you the ingredients as we go along here. The first thing we got is we got a bag of the white sugar-coated donuts. We're just going to dump them out in a thing here and just sort of spread them around. This is 9 by 13 casserole dish, what this is. We're just going to spread them out there where we can get a little bit in all of them. Sort of get them in a line there. We got 2 pints of strawberry pie filling. We're just going to put it out over it. This is my homemade strawberry pie filling. If you hadn't seen the video in it, you need to go back and watch it because it is really some good pie filling. I recommend strawberry pie filling to anybody. I make some of it every year and it don't last no time till it's gone, which I use it in a lot of recipes because, like I said, it tastes good too. I like it just in not only in a strawberry pie but in different recipes as well. We're just going to spread that out sort of over our donuts there. Just get a little bit of strawberry pie filling on each of our donuts, and then we got a can of sweetened condensed milk. We're just going to sort of put it out over top of the pie filling. Just try to get us a good coat of the sweetened condensed milk on it. Try to get it all out of there. You can see how it's spread out. It'll finish spreading out in the oven. And then we're going to push that over out of the way. We got a strawberry cake mix, just a regular strawberry cake mix here. We're going to dump it out into the bowl. Get it out of the way. And get me a spoon to stir it up with. We got a strawberry sparkling water. It doesn't matter what brand you use. I just going to use a strawberry sparkling water here. We need 12 ounces of sparkling water. So that's 1.5 cups of sparkling water. That looks close right there. They tell me you need to shake it back up. So there you go. I shook it back up. We're going to put this 12 ounces of sparkling water right into our cake mix. That's all we're going to put in the cake mix. We're not going to use no eggs, no oil, nothing. See how it foams up there? It's sort of like a soda cake. Y'all heard of soda cakes? Well, this is sort of the same thing. You can use sparkling water in a cake mix like that. Stir it up good. Get it mixed up well. And we're going to pull our pie pan back here, casserole dish, and we're just going to dump our cake mix right out on top of our pie filling and our condensed milk and donuts. Strawberry donut cake. Real simple ingredients. We just want to sort of spread our cake mix out evenly here, which it'll level out in the oven. But we want to be sure that we got a good cover on all of it. So spread your cake mix out evenly in your 9 by 13 casserole dish. what we're going to do, we got our oven preheated 350 degrees. We're going to put this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and we'll bring it back when it's done and we take it out. Okay, we got our strawberry donut cake out here. It was in the oven about 45 to 50 minutes there. And we're going to cut it, and we're going to dip a little piece out and see what it looks like on the inside here. We're gonna give her a taste test. Let's see, can we get it to come out here? Might not. Yeah, there we go. Look at all them strawberries. And that looks good. I got me a saucer here. We're gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. That looks almost like a cobbler with a cake topping. Check that out. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm gonna give me some of that donut too. I got some donut, some strawberry, some cake mix. I let it set. It's probably been setting about 20 or 30 minutes. So, oh man, she's still hot though. Oh, it does taste good though. You really taste the donut and the cake mix. That's really good. Give me a second sample of that. Need to verify that it's really good. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. That's the first time I ever made that. So, if you would, give the video a thumbs up. Take a like, share, comment, subscribe. We appreciate all of you that subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you that watch our videos. Take the time out of your day to watch them. Man, that is really good. Y'all gonna have to try this here, because you can see the donut there, strawberries, the cake mix. I just can't get over how good that tastes. I mean, I thought it would be good, but I really wasn't expecting it to be that good. Anyway, we appreciate all of you that subscribe to our channel. All of you that take time out of the day to watch our videos. It means a lot to us. Like I said, give the video a thumbs up. Y'all give this a shot. I believe y'all like this. Strawberry donut cake. That's what I'm calling it. We'll see you on the next one.